Welcome to day 7 of our 2020 series in which we'll be replying to your questions on digital marketing. Our today's question has come through our Instagram page and the sender has requested us not to mention the name. So let's just get started with the question. My business has got some negative reviews on Google My Business. Is there any way I can get them removed? In this case, the types of reviews that we are talking about can fall into three categories. Category number one, that the language which is used in the reviews is inappropriate or is offensive, or it is advertising somebody else's business and not yours. In this case, you can flag the reviews as inappropriate and fill out the form, and Google would take necessary action against it. The second category would be of fake reviews, which means that the person who has reviewed never did any business transaction with you but has still gone ahead and given a negative review. In this case, reply to that review, ask for more details about the business, the order, and mention clearly that you would like to take appropriate action based on the response. Then wait for few days. If there is no response from the person who has sent the review, then you can flag it as inappropriate and let Google take the necessary action. The third category will be of those people who have done business with your company but are not satisfied with the experience, and hence they have vented out their frustration, their anger in the form of negative reviews. Now in this case, respond to these negative reviews, reply to them with an apology and ask them what is it that you can do to rectify the situation. If you have a solution, offer them that solution in your reply. Remember that if you are able to provide these customers with a resolution, then there are high chances that they would go ahead and delete the negative reviews themselves. However, if all of this fails, in that case, be patient. With time, as and when you get more positive reviews, the impact of these negative reviews would definitely go down. I hope the information shared in today's video is useful for you and your team to decide how to respond to the negative reviews on Google My Business. In the comment section below, you would find a link to Google's support page where you would find information about what kind of reviews can be flagged as inappropriate.